Welcome back to the channel, everyone. CryptoTakeOver here, coming back with a Bitcoin cryptocurrency video for you today. We're taking a look at two different articles on today's video. We have crypto mining stocks could keep the digital could be beating Bitcoin in modern age digital gold rush. So obviously there's stocks that are mining digital currency that are available to regular consumers on the Nasdaq. We're going to take a look and see what this article has to say. Could these be outperforming Bitcoin? Bitcoin kind of consolidating right now, still underneath $60,000. We were expecting kind of a break above 60,000 over the weekend. We didn't quite get that. We are still ranging in consolidation, right at about $58,000 right now. And we're going to see what's going on with the charts here in a little bit. And our next article that we'll be taking a look at today is talking about Microsoft reportedly polling Xbox users about Bitcoin payment option. Very interesting. So we'll see what's going on with there. And without further ado, let's go ahead and cue that intro and get started for today's video. All right, folks, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can be updated every single video that we make as we continue our bull market territory into 2021. So we have here crypto mining stocks could keep beating Bitcoin in modern age digital gold rush. Crypto mining stocks could deliver amplified returns during a Bitcoin bull market, according to Fundstrat research. Over the past year, crypto mining stocks have outperformed Bitcoin, and the trend has accelerated since the cryptocurrency climbed $20,000 a few months ago, according to the financial research firm Fundstrat. The dynamic hold if Bitcoin stays in a bull market, the firm predicts. And so Bitcoin and the wider crypto market are the modern age digital gold rush, wrote Fundstrat, which means crypto mining stocks could see further upside because miners play such a critical role in ensuring the Bitcoin network functions properly. Investors have sought opportunities to gain exposure to mining companies which generate revenue in the form of mined Bitcoin. The largest publicly listed mining companies include Riot Blockchain, Hive Blockchain, and Marathon Patent Group. As the Bitcoin price increases, miners spin up new rigs and upgrade hardware in pursuit of higher block rewards. The Fundstrat expects more efficient mining machines will help some firms remain competitive, which could boost profit margins. But buyers beware, mining company equities may serve as a high beta play on Bitcoin, and when the cryptocurrency enters a bear cycle, we would expect mining equities to have greater downside volatility than Bitcoin, according to Fundstrat. Yeah, and so I believe we have a little chart here that goes over all the different ways that maybe Bitcoin is outperforming, or some of these mining stocks are outperforming Bitcoin. BTC here in the red is obviously down here at the bottom. They have Riot Blockchain, Hive, and Marathon Patent Group. And it looks like Riot's been doing the best, really, to be honest. So Riot has been performing pretty well. Hive and Marathon maybe performing second best. So pretty interesting stuff there, folks. Obviously, if you have been part of our paid for Patreon membership group and our private trading group, you know that we had talked about a few of these a couple of months back, obviously before the bull market has started. But we were able to get in on a few of these crypto mining stocks as well. And yeah, it's definitely looking pretty nice. So we'll have to keep an eye on those stocks and see what's going to happen if Bitcoin continues into its bull market cycle, or whether or not it's going to maybe sell off here sometime soon. But we're going to still keep an eye on things. Things are steadily moving sideways for the most part, so we'll just have to wait and see. Taking a look at our next article here, Microsoft reportedly polling Xbox users about Bitcoin payments. Microsoft wants to know if gamers would spend crypto at their Xbox online store. Tech giant Microsoft seems to be considering introducing Bitcoin payments at its gaming console online stores. According to a March 21 Reddit post on Xbox Series X, Microsoft has put out a survey asking Xbox users about their preferred payment options in its online store, which is these other payment methods would you like to use on Xbox. The supported survey asked listing Bitcoin as one of the potential payment methods. The same photo has been circulating across several other Reddits, including ETH Trader and Bitcoin. Microsoft is now asking Xbox users about Bitcoin. We could take a look and see what this tweet is all about too as well. And let's see. How do you currently pay for things on Xbox? Select all that apply. Debit card. What do you think about the number of payment methods supported for buying things on Xbox? Which of these other payment methods would you like to use on Xbox? Pay with Bitcoin. Have you ever decided not purchase something from Xbox because your preferred payment method was not available? Interesting. So just a quick little survey there, and obviously Bitcoin was mentioned in there. One Xbox user said that the survey is available if you participate in the Xbox Insider program for beta testing OS updates. Microsoft did not immediately respond to Cointelegraph's request for comment. Back in 2014, Microsoft started accepting Bitcoin to fund Microsoft accounts, allowing United States-based users to purchase content from Windows, including Xbox games. After briefly halting the payment option, Microsoft resumed Bitcoin payments for its MS store in January. Cryptocurrency-based payments are not currently supported at the Xbox Online store. While it may be open to accepting Bitcoin as payments, Microsoft has no plans to make a bigger move into Xbox like Tesla. President Brad Smith said that the firm did not have any cryptocurrency diversification plans following Tesla's $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. So yeah, I think that they're just kind of surveying their audience right now, obviously, but that's kind of what's looking like with Microsoft and Xbox here too as well. So that would be relatively bullish, honestly, if people are going to start making transactions through the Microsoft game store too as well. So very interesting there for Xbox users. Let's go ahead and dive on into the charts, folks, see what's going on over here with Bitcoin. All right, so taking a look at the daily chart, you can see right now we're still sitting under $60,000, sitting at about $58,000 for Bitcoin right now. And we were trying to get above our $60,000 mark, 58,000 to be exact. We tried to get back up above 60,000, but didn't quite make it. Now we are putting in somewhat of a bullish candle here. I do like the look of this 6-hour chart that we're sitting on right now. This is actually our 6-hour. I do want to turn on our Aldo EMAs so that way we can get an idea of reference underneath our 21 EMA right now. 6-hour possibly wanting to recover, putting in a little bit of a trigger wave down here on market cipher B as well, putting in somewhat of a higher low as well. That's definitely a good, nice little bullish sign there for us. Expecting probably a nice little move up here, maybe following the rest of Monday. Looking at our 12-hour chart, haven't quite made the bounce just yet, but market cipher B possibly wanting to give us a green dot here pretty soon with the VWAP headed in that same direction to the upside. And we'll have to see how this wants to play out. Our daily chart still kind of moving sideways for the most part right now on our momentum waves. We'll have to wait to see if our VWAP's still going to clip to the upside. As of right now, it looks like it's kind of moving just out to the side, so we'll see what's going to happen here. It did look like we were trying to break below one of our major trend lines here, but we have been trying to consolidate above it and make our way back up above 58,000 into that $60,000 range. So we want to make sure that we stay above this yellow trend line. We want to make sure that we don't dump below that and end up in a bearish scenario. But as of right now, still expecting some consolidation. 4-hour chart looks relatively good too as well. Market cipher B also giving us a green dot here, ready to push back up above that 0 pivot point on our 4-hour chart. And I would say that that's relatively bullish for the most part too. 4-hour chart candlesticks ready to push back up above the 21 EMA as well. We did get a bounce off of the 100 on the 4-hour chart, and we now are pushing above the 21 EMA on the 4-hour. So folks, things are looking like they could start to see a little bit more of a bullish scenario, possibly wanting to make our way back up above $60,000 by the end of this week. We'll have to see how Monday and the next couple of days play out for us, but hopefully this will inform you if you're making any decisions in the crypto market. But obviously none of this is financial advice, and always do your own research before you invest inside of any market. So yeah, but with that being said, folks, I think if you want to join us in our private trading group, you can join us through Patreon if you want to pay with debit or credit card. Everything that we post privately is on Discord, so make sure that you have a Discord username so that way we can get you all set up. If you want to pay with crypto, message me on Discord. I'll take care of you. And yeah, with that being said, folks, I look forward to seeing y'all back on the next video, keeping it pretty short and simple for today. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way y'all can stay updated every single video that we make. Share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you on the next one. CTO signing out. Peace.